want more content? Catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. Dre, you're gonna be surprised. Am I really gonna be? Stop. This man's gonna kill me. Oh God. Oh God. Dre just got killed. Bruh. Stop it. Stop it. You don't know me like this. Alright. I'm gonna take a shot. Now you guys can't see it. This is soju. We're gonna take a shot before I go into this. Alright, y'all. Cheers to my survival. Ooh. Ah. Let's go. This man is so beautiful. God. Ooh. Oh, it's just like the teaser. Is this a teaser? No, this is just a music video. I got so scared. Got Felix running. Look back at it. Oh, he looked front at it. Hey, you gotta kiss your homies. The real homies kiss. No more stopping, no more pausing.
You sit on a throne of lies.
Let's go.
Ooh, okay, this is not what I expected actually. This man with the Balenciaga. There's so much happening right now. Wait, okay, let's just. This man with the Balenciaga crop top. Then he comes in, steals me. Ooh. Okay. You better slay. Oh, I just can't wait for the drop too. Look at all the words that are coming through too. Did this man just relax body rolled? What the hip rolled? How the right like that, right? He just went. Imagine. Hey, how you doing? Nothing. How about you? Ooh, and right off the bat, my bias record comes in like nothing. You got Felix calling me a maniac and shit. Yeah, I might be, but whatever. Ooh, what an interesting beat. Hey man, he looking good. Hey you, hey, yo chill. What an interesting beat. What you? Wait. I got questions afterwards. We gotta go through it. He still looking.
You gonna make me act up.
It's just his body rolling, bro. Let's go. Let's move on, bro. Look at him. Look at. Just look. I told myself I was gonna stop. That's disrespectful. That move is very disrespectful because how am I supposed to know you're gonna do all of that? You did a relaxed body roll and the hips and. Whoa! Fire! Fire! That's fire! Yeah. Hey! 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 He needs to stop too, to be honest, bro. He needs to be stopped, but keep on going. You know what I'm saying? Oh, his vocal. You better get yours. You better get yours. Look at. Is he? Wait a second. What in the green screening? I love the green screening. God. Okay, background vocal. Hop on. Ooh, he's still going too? What just happened? I might do an album listen tomorrow, if you guys are down. But for right now, I'm just gonna download it. I'm gonna make it look pretty, you know what I'm saying? Is he wearing a... There's so much to the green screen in this video. Expect the green screen video for this, bro.
Let's go.
And he came in through with the kicks. Let's go, fam. Now, I know they used this subway in the Kingdom show from when I was watching Kingdom when they were performing. Definitely in the Deadpool one, too. Good job with the camera work, too. Ooh. What we doing? He going loose screws, maniac. Think about Stray Kids. They got so many members that are heavy hitters, and what I mean by that, they could just knock you out, kind of ish. Not in like a physical way, but like one vocalist, rapper. Oh, you look good. Stop it. He knew he looked good. Boy. You know what's crazy? The things that they wear are so dope. Like some of the Adidas like pants I want to wear, but I know I can't pull off like they can. Is that relatable? Bless up, A-Town down. Bless up. I don't even know why I said that. That means Atlanta. What does that mean? I don't know. I'm just saying things, bro. I'll teach you everything I know. Bet. I mean, I know a good amount, but I definitely would love to know more. All right, y'all. Till next time. All right, see you later. See you tomorrow, too. If you guys want to see the first listen of the album and then watch performance videos, I'll be tomorrow. All right, y'all. Bye-bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an X-toe, that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.